Hey there, I was just trying to put together a video here to help restore files that may be seemingly deleted or gone when you're opening up a Google Doc in Canvas. So what I have here is Canvas opened up to the reading course where we have the file Writing Seven Wonders of the World, which has that Google Doc in it. So I'm going to expand it. And remember, to get to it, to get to the actual file, you have to open this thing called the external tool. So even though you're looking through here, to get to actually open up the doc where it says right here to start using the Google Doc template, scroll down. I'm going to launch the external tool. And you've probably already done this. You've probably authorized it already because you've typed in your username and password. Now, the doc we're looking at right now is my doc because I'm the user on the iPad right now. I'm not interested in getting a Google Doc right now as an app because I already have it. So I'm saying not interested. But one thing you can do is, if you wanted, you can use this right here and type away right here on this doc. So for example, you can see already it's a little cumbersome to have this tiny little place to write new words. And the reason I'm doing this is I want to show you what happens when I make this change here. So you can see that I'm making some changes where it says to write new words. And see up in the top, it just said save to drive. Well, let's say we had that problem that you were having where the file just mysteriously disappeared. I want you to go to File, and down here is the thing that says Version History. And you want to touch that. And you want to come over here and say See Version History. Then over here, it's showing me the current versions. And so do you see where it highlights in green to write new words? Well, let's say I wanted that back. So this just shows me the most current version. But in your case, I bet you if you went back to here, or even to one of these other versions, you can then restore what was there. Now, right now it's not letting me do that because I just now, okay, there it is. You see how it says restore this version? You would want to push that, and hopefully this is going to bring back all the things that you were typing. You might need to scroll down to make sure wherever you were typing that that information is in fact what you want. You just push restore this version, and you say, yes, I want to restore it. And then it brings back all the things that used to be there. So hopefully that's one way you can get your file back with using Canvas and the Google Doc that's in it. I don't honestly recommend using the Canvas interface to type on the Google Doc just because it's such a small screen. So while I'm here, I just wanted to show you another option, and that would be actually to just use the app Docs. And I'll show you what that looks like now. So I'm touching my home button, coming back out to my iPad, and I'm going to push the Docs icon. And what I want you to see is it's when I've opened up this external tool, it automatically added that file to my Docs. And so I already have it here. And as you can see, the screen is a lot bigger and I have a lot more room to work. And when I push on the pen down here in the bottom right-hand corner, now I have my keyboard tools and all my word processing tools, like you may be more familiar with, making things bold or left justified. Also, if you wanted to add an image, this is where you'd come over and do that. And you probably want to select it from your photos. So if you're adding a picture of one of the seven wonders, I would go get that picture, save it on my camera roll, and bring it in. And then if you wanted to, for example, change your font, this is where you go to the letter A. And over here, you can change your fonts to whatever it is you like, as well as the size of your font and the color, etc. So I hope this was helpful to you. One thing I've explored with this app version is I can't find the version history option. So I went through all of these different submenus just now, and I do not see the file version history option. So I don't think it's over here. It looks like there's version histories here, but I couldn't restore anything off of that. So that's why I was recommending that you actually come back over here to Canvas and go to File, and then select version history over here to be able to get to whatever it is that was lost. So hopefully what you lost is one of these items that you see down here on my right-hand side. And then after you select it, you can restore it. So I'm going to go back to the one I had just a moment ago, just to kind of show you again. I would say restore this version where it's that blue bar. So hopefully this is helpful, and give me a call if it's not, and we'll try and figure out something else.